Welcome to Lusaka. My name is Lady Bree. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm bringing you along into the city of Lusaka, doing some shopping. We're looking for plumbing material today and a few other things. So this is Westgate, guys. When you come here, you have to be ready for crowds. It's not for the faint of heart. But I have to get a lot of stuff, so I just decided to come out. Welcome to Westgate, Lusaka, where everything is happening. You're looking for hardware stuff. Ati? Mwana nsendera. Awe. Ati? Yeah, I'm being warned to hide this phone because it's going to disappear, but I just wanted to show you something. All right, so this is Westgate. Apparently people will snatch your phone, so I have to be careful, but I wanted you to see when I go through to get my hardware stuff. This is what it looks like. It's been a busy day. I found most of the things I needed, and now we're just waiting to book a Yango, which is like an Uber for those of you that may not be familiar with Yango, and then we get back home. It's a random Monday night, 10:30 at night. We finally have power. Actually, the whole day we have no power until 10:30, from 10:30 until 5 a.m. and then it switches off again. So I want to talk about the chaos of construction and trying to live in a construction zone. This is something that I've had to do since I started building. Actually, as soon as the structure was up, I decided to kind of finish one room where I could live while I'm in Zambia. Just because it makes life a lot easier to supervise work. However, there is a downside to it, and that's what I wanted to share with you guys about. So if you want to hear more about how to survive living in a construction zone, on a construction site, stay tuned. So if you've been following my building journey, you probably know that I built this house about 4 years ago now, and I've been going at it slowly as finances are available. And now I'm at a point where we are tiling the rest of the house. I did a couple of rooms last year. Yeah, not a couple of rooms, maybe 4 rooms. And now I'm determined to finish tiling the house. So this is what's going on. I've had a crew of people. One person is working on this island. 2 people are working on tiling the house, and somebody else has been working on the plumbing, and they decided not to come today. No reason given. I called them and they're not here. However, I'm hoping they'll be back here tomorrow. So it's a lot of chaos because I'm having to supervise 3 or 4 groups of people, and there goes my dogs, very loud. It's mating season. Anyway, so I've had to supervise like 3 or 4 groups of people at a time. And oh yeah, this is how messy it looks. But I live on the site because, like I said, it's easier for me to supervise, and it just encourages me to continue moving forward. So if you are the type that cannot live with chaos, this may not be the way to do it. You might want to involve a contractor, let them handle all the work until they are done, and then it's just a turnkey type of situation where they hand over the keys to you. That tends to be generally more expensive, and I am a hands-on person. I want to be involved. I want to see what's being done in my house, and so I get involved. But that comes with a lot of stress. Yeah, this is going to be the office. They just did some of the tiles. They're yet to do the skirting. And this is going to be the dining room. Still doing a lot of work there. So yeah, it's been a challenge because I've had to supervise the work myself, show them where they make mistakes. For example, the tilers, they know what they're doing. But every so often you just find something that's not right. And as you know, with ceramic tiles, when the cement or the tile fix that they use dries up, removing tiles basically means destroying them. This is my situation here, but I am making progress. And I'm excited to see how this whole house turns out. We did put ceiling board in most of the house. I believe I showed you guys how this ceiling board came out here. But this main living area does not have ceiling board yet. And the main reason being that it's leaking. There are some places that just leak when it rains, and I have to do something about that before I can put the rest of the ceiling board. If you haven't subscribed yet, there's no better time than now. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please give it a like. So tomorrow I should be able to show you the rest of the work that's being done on the other side. Yeah, because this is all blocked off because I can't walk there. They just put these tiles, and if I step on it, it's going to disturb the levels of the tiles, and I don't want to do that. So the joys of living on the construction zone. But what it is I just tell myself, this is just part of the process. And the chaos and the mess and the debris and broken tiles and broken blocks, all this is just part of the process of building my vision. Oh, we are all a work in progress, aren't we? I guess this is how God looks at us while He's building us into what He wants us to be. We ourselves sometimes think that we're there, and He looks at us and goes, not even close. But He's patient with us. So I'm learning a lot of lessons about my own life, even as I look at this construction. Another big problem here, this door was installed a few years ago, and there's such a big gap at the bottom that when it rains, water literally pours in. So we have to find a solution to this. Yeah, I probably need to put an overhang outside so that the water doesn't hit the door directly. Yeah, we are making progress. That's the guest bathroom. Oh boy, okay. Just hit that. That's the guest bathroom. So we have 3 bathrooms in this house. And they are all being worked on, but at least one is functioning, and that's the one I use in my room, which is like 90% finished. Yeah. So all this to say, to encourage those who are building or are planning to build here in Zambia, and this probably applies to many parts of Africa because our cultures, though different, are similar. Africa is the place to be. I would not change this for anything. Sometimes I do wish that I had somebody else to just hand over to for maybe 2 weeks so I can take a break and just not think about it. But this is my project. I started this house from the foundation from day one, and as God gives me breath, I want to see it to the end. And so when I'm stressed out, when I'm tired, when I'm working on 4 hours of sleep, I remind myself that I do have a vision, and it is a beautiful vision, and it will come to pass one day. So that's my encouragement to you guys. If you are building, keep at it. The challenges will always be there. Pace yourself. Finances are not always available, but whatever you have, do what you can and keep moving until you reach your goal. I know that I will reach my goal. Oh yeah, last weekend I did have the pleasure of attending a wedding, so that was a welcome break from all this work. And Zambian weddings are a vibe. Let me share a little clip for you here to see what I experienced. Another day, I'm over here picking up my tiles. We ran out of 4 boxes, and so I had to top up. I think it's mostly because some were broken, but here we are. My little car has to carry 4 very heavy boxes of tiles. Okay. Balance pampering myself with some coffee. It's been a long week, long day. So look what I'm having. Bon appetit. Come and join me. I think most importantly, you just have to keep a really good attitude about everything. Just remind yourself things can be corrected when they don't go right. So the chaos comes with the package, but you will get there. So pamper yourself when you can. At least for me, that's what I do once in a while. When I've worked really hard and I need a break, I just give myself a break. So right now I picked up the tiles. I still need to pick up tile fix, but I'm taking a break, having some coffee, and then I'll head back to my chaos. And life goes on. My vision will be fulfilled. Same day looking for tile fix, and this is where we are. Oh, it's sweaty. It's not for the faint of heart. Long day, but we're getting there slowly. The tile fix, 20 by 5, so that's 100 kg right there. Wow. The car is looking pretty depressed from all this weight, but I would rather do this than hire something else. Too costly. Home, and we're going that way. See you soon. It's been a long day. I think I'm gonna close out this vlog here. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope you've enjoyed everything I've shown you today and what's been happening in the past few days. I will see you in the next one, hopefully, God willing, with a lot more progress.